your tax in America. Larry King, you file your tax in Europe. David Beckham, you file your tax in Australia. Jeff Kennedy, you file your tax in Asia. Yeah, remember that your money can end in the pockets of some corrupt leader.
Government for the people. Let me say politician in the battle. So if we the vote give them, we the vote give them every time. And then come with them for do what they want. They don't go do. Hey, Charlie. We are the government. We be the government. Charlie. So if we the vote give them, we be the government. We be the government. Government by the people, for the people, and all the people. Hey, nothing. This thing they talk every time. But why is it not one? How would they go feel the same? Because they don't even understand what is going on. Just here. Charlie. This matter. The Sunday. The fees are the home. Imagine
Now listen, TIA. This is Africa. This be Africa, where I wanna be. This is where you got fruits on trees for free. And when it rains, you got diamonds on the ground for free. Sunshine and rain. You grow the seed, timber and gold. Plenty, plenty.
Mama G! Mama G! Mama G! Mama G! Mama G! What? Mama G with you. You have a call here. There are accounts in Angasaba.
Mama G, you're trying to get
Mama G! Any three mano. Why money to the three? Bibian Como. Mr. O. Stand on a half at the style. Bibia Tosuman. Pacho.
There has never been peace. Liberia, and yes, brutality, and it's a religion. Oh, you don't wanna know the laws, resistance army. Oh, it's a pity. They fight over diamonds and kill people who have never seen the diamond in their lives before. They
Bibian Come.
women and they think it's funny. I be you here.
Wow, Mama G in the package. All that you. I saw that you. No, Charlie. Keep time. Ladies first, no. Mama G, but I'm saying.
Your big belly, who will be vanity, your vanity move. Hey, Rala Odin, come on, I hear say you people smoke some peace pipe. I don't believe. I think you.
Oh, they go fix the country. Fix yourself. Mr. Yeah, fix the country. Mama G, you got to find it. What have you idea about it?
I'm going to designer shoe, Dior.
Why, Saba? What is going on? One of our pounds is to cover now, ready 3 parts and more back.
I know Papa, they say. How many Israel? What did Israel? Why? Oh, and how can you say? Me that's why. Hey, Mama, What's a Diola? Then I said, Next time, fix yourself before you come and approach a fine girl like.
Africa. Give us reason to live. Let's live in Africa.
Hey, Momupa, yeah. What's that? Diola, Dio. Is that only she? Next time, check yourself before you come to approach.
And no,